Join me today as we explore this 10,000 square foot masterpiece located in the exclusive community of Preston Hollow, a suburb of Dallas, Texas. Home to Shark Tank billionaires, energy moguls, and athletes, this neighborhood features some of the best real estate Dallas, Texas has to offer. With the white oak floors, massive ceilings, and attention to detail everywhere you look, you are not going to believe everything this home has to offer. The kitchen is the perfect place to host your family and friends. Custom cabinets flown in from Germany, Wolf appliances, and Pogenpohl. You're not going to believe the views of the incredible yard and all of the natural light that flows in. The primary retreat is the perfect place to relax after a long day. Imagine doing your makeup every morning. With an $8 million price tag, you might be wondering, is that house made of gold? Actually, all fixtures in this home are 24 karat gold. This home offers every high-end finish and upgrade you can imagine, and it continues to the backyard. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you would like more information about this home or any other home available in the Preston Hollow neighborhood, please reach out to me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to be notified of all of our newest listings.